This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by Pin Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door.
Here at Wyze, we take extreme pride in the products we make. And our latest piece of smart home wizardry? A lock. For locking stuff. Doors, mostly. From anywhere on the mother-loving planet. To create WyzeLock, we harvested fossilized brontosaurus balls and combined them with locally sourced sustainable belly hairs of unicorns to forge a mythical, indestructible alloy. A metal so strong it has no name. Okay, fine, it's aluminum. Each lock is created with exquisite precision. Read a bedtime story each night and then rocked to sleep by the furry bosom of Fernando, our in-house blacksmith. WyzeLock fits right over your existing hardware. It's like giving your lock a bionic arm. If you want to go on hiding metal keys under doormats and fake-looking hollow rocks, then go ahead. But with WyzeLock, your phone becomes your key. It unlocks automatically as you approach your door and then locks when the door closes. With its built-in gyroscope, it knows when your door is open or when it's closed. Because it's smart. It's so smart, when it's not locking your door, it's rewriting the last season of Game of Thrones with an appropriate balance of shock value and sensible character development. And if you're out roaming the motherland on top of the last of the great American bison and need to unlock your door for a fellow pilgrim, well, saddle up, open the app, and unlock that door like a Jim Bridger boss. Because who cares if your ancestors crossed the plains and had to draw water from a frozen well just to boil a cup of oatmeal? Sometimes you don't feel like standing up and walking across the room, and that's okay. WyzeLock. Now you're living in the future.
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt is designed to provide peace of mind from anywhere. It works with your phone, your voice, your finger, and even a key. It connects directly to your home's Wi-Fi in seconds to provide smartphone control from anywhere, eliminating the need for additional adapters, which saves you time and money. So gain peace of mind and upgrade your home to the safety, simplicity, and style.
Hey, did you remember to lock the front door?
No, did you?
On it. Hold on.
I think it's time to get a new lock. Ooh, I like that one.
So, you want the keypad with the keys?
No, no more keys. I can see it now. The kids can let themselves in when they get home.
This is perfect for when they get home from practice.
So if I'm in my studio, the app will tell us when the kids are home. This is perfect for our family. This is a good one. My phone automatically unlocks the door. What do we ask the kids every day? Is the door closed?
You're right. Every day. Okay, we got the lock. Now the style.
On it. That's okay. Much better. And now for my lock. That's the one.
Wow. Great work.
You're welcome.